What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Comment Sunday. The one day of the week, basically, I just give you a voice and read about your comments. If you're new to the channel and wonder what's going on, I basically it's a car discussion channel, guys, and I want to give you a voice where I read out some of your comments from some of the videos I've done during the week and just cover what's going on. I just thought it'd be a fun way to interact with you guys, showing you that I do read your comments, and it's good to see your thoughts and opinions, and that's what we're here to do, is discuss what's going on. So this might be a bit of a long episode, guys, maybe not. There is quite a bit to cover on one video. You could probably understand which video that's going to be, but I will try my best not to keep it too long. Of course, guys, do get involved, do smash that subscribe button, help us to get 2,000 subs. We're also aiming to get a project car. Next Saturday I'm going to be revealing what the plans are, etc., and get your input. And let's jump into it for today. I must make sure my sound is turned off because that would not be good. I didn't have a video out yesterday, guys, because I wasn't feeling well, and that's basically why. So I apologize for that. I do try to make a video every day, guys. Sometimes it's not my full-time job, so sometimes I can't. We'll just jump into today's video and try and get this done. So my recent video was Matt Armstrong has been killing it with his airbag Lambo and his Maserati. Jeremy Prepaway just basically said, also about Burlacker as well. Yeah, Burlacker said he was going to get new wheels since he wasn't stoked on the colour. So Burlacker, as you know, probably got a Dodge Viper. It's in yellow. He put blue stripes through, which is pretty nice. And I basically asked in my video, like, it'd be great if he got new wheels. So supposedly he is getting new wheels, which would be cool. I'll be keeping an eye on that one. I don't watch Burlacker that much. I do watch him the odd time when he gets new cars or if he's adding any mods. He's big into his trucks and stuff, so that's why I wouldn't watch him too much. But let's go down here and see, was there any this video was we got the Porsche CGT, as we all know. Where we know they're probably going to mod the hell out of it. I did ask a few questions on that. Manny's 101 Hermes Speedtail was pretty dope. Also GG Papsavas got a 720S, a new project car. And I found a new channel called SL Rebuild. Guys, look, if you're into rebuild channels, I love my rebuild channels. SLB Rebuild is a UK channel. He's around 15,000 subs. Good channel, highly recommend go check him out if you're into rebuilds. I just covered him, and honestly, I can't wait to see what he does with the Audi TTS that he's currently rebuilding, so check that out as well. Delta Dandy, again, great guy, love when he comments. Damon going to kill himself in that CGT. Also not happy about Speedtail being the fast McLaren. Why shouldn't there on their own legend, the F1, which he has a very, very good point. Damon going to kill himself at that CGT. Yes, well, look, obviously we don't want that to happen, but he's a lunatic of a driver, and as we know, the CGT, you have to be very, very careful with that car. It's gotten reports of how crazy it is, and you really have to respect it. So, I'm sure he can handle it, just the way he drives his nuts. And yeah, the Speedtail, obviously, that's just McLaren. Like, McLaren are at a point now where I even said it to them. They're at a point where they want to play catch up with Ferrari, Lamborghini, all the big, supercar, even hypercar, makers, Pagani, Koenigsegg. They're just going to do a money grab. They've got to play catch up. They got to make money. They want to make exclusive cars. Speedtail is one of them. You've got people like Manny Cashman out there who are going to spend the money, and they're not going to say no to when people turn around and say, "Yeah, I have $4 million to spend on a Speedtail." They're definitely going to spend it. And when you're Manny Cashman, it is nothing to you. So McLaren are happily going to make those Speedtails because they know they're going to sell them. Obviously, McLaren, put the feelers out there when they're going to build a car like this to see who has the interest of the rich people, and if they have it, they're going to do it. So here's the big one. I know that got a lot of comments. I just reacted to Ice Cream Vlog's video about MK Garage basically saying Life of Palos is a racist. I gave my thoughts and opinions, guys, in it. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I don't want to cover it again too much because it'll be going on forever in this video. a lot of comments about it. I mean, look, guys, I said, one of the things I forgot to say in that video was another thing. If I niche down, I know I cover Stradman and DD in my titles, but I don't always. I try to keep my variety very well. But if I niche down and just kept saying about Whistle and Diesel, Stradman and DD in my titles, I'm presuming my videos will probably get more traction, whatever, but it's something I don't want to do. I have no interest in doing it. I have different plans. I'm not news as well. So some of the comments here, Corey Williams basically said, ice cream vlog didn't say he is racist. It was TK Garage that called him out for blocking him allegedly. But in any case, Life of Palos is still unjustly towards minority channels. Basically, hit the nail on the head. Like, I agree with him. That's what I said. The problem though, as I explained in my video with Aaron, is he's niched down so much on Whistle and Diesel, Stradman, DD. He basically would grab onto the coattails of any of the big car YouTubers that have any big stuff going on, because it gets him the views, and more views equals more money, and that's all he's going to care about. He's not going to care about smaller creators, and he doesn't actually. It is very annoying because there's some very good Asian black creators out there that I've covered, TJ Millionaire, CGN 32s, a few smaller channels that that he doesn't really cover that much. Only a Hellcat, he only covers them when obviously there's a bit of drama. But just a trucker basically said, what kind of rides do you have, bro? So people have asked me this, guys. It's not even worth showing. Maybe someday I'll show you. I just have a 2005 three-door Golf Sport 1.4. I mean, when I moved back from Canada 2 years ago, I lost all my no claims insurance or bonus, basically, which means that you get cheaper insurance. I have to start from scratch. So I have and the cars over here, they're all small liter engine cars. But as I said, next Saturday I will go through the plan for the project cars. We've got a few options as well. Sports and Touring, and from Sports and Touring basically said, I think it's harsh to accuse Aaron of racism. He's always come across as the kind of person who would be quite upset at this idea. Seems like a genuinely nice guy. Also, he covers and promotes Rich Rebuilds and Tavarish on a regular basis. He has covered Tall Guy positively. There are others too. Ultimately, like you say, he's going on the news that brings in the views. I'd like to see him do something every week, highlighting small YouTubers with good content and part of a day's roundup. And I agree with him as well on that. It's a good point. I said it. Even if he covered once a week of small YouTubers or once a month dedicated to them, but I said it in my video, he won't do it because you can either cover Stradman, Whistle and Diesel, that'll get you your 70 or 100,000 views, over the next 3 or 4 days, and get revenue off it, or cover small car YouTubers that will probably get you 20 to 30,000 views, which won't get you as much money. He's just not going to do it, guys. He's going to go with the money. That's what he does. There was a bit of a chat in this one. Somebody did call him out. Basically, Brandon Smith said Aaron's a racist. Should rename his now to Life of Stradman. Probably true, but with the way he's going. Maria Penna says the Evans Dodge channel. Can you come to me videos include vanilla versus chocolate? So I'm not going to go into this much. She just basically was saying, and it was probably a fake account or something. He's not. It's a real account. I think she should have checked before commenting there. But just so that I'd say it. Mark Williams, ice cream is right about Aaron. Look, guys, ice cream does facts. That's what he does. I just basically give my thoughts and opinions on the facts that are put out. That's basically it. Kobe G, Aaron is racist, and a lot of people are saying that, but I mean, he doesn't cover obviously the channels he should be covering, and it does look bad on him. I mean, he should address it. I don't get why he's not going to address it, but he should. And that's what he should say. But again, you have to see what he's doing. He's going for the views, and that's it. And the biggest channels, we would say, are probably white. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong in comments below. I'm not too sure, but that's who he's trying to cover. But he should do a segment for smaller creators, but obviously he won't. OG LOP is a race for sure. A lot of people are saying this, they just don't like him. Bro, how can? So this guy, Penny Ross Mind. He was a subscriber, he's not a subscriber anymore. He was like, how can you promote that fish ice cream vlogs? Sorry, but you've lost the sub. Guys, I've covered him before. I mean, like, ice cream just gives out facts. Like, if you don't like facts, this is a car discussion channel. That's up to you. If you want to unsubscribe, again, that's up to you. It's not, you know, I told people to check out my other videos before they subscribe to make sure don't go off one video. That's up to them. You know, and I did. I meant I wasn't promoting Palos. I read it wrong, but it was ice cream he was on about. That's what he said he was talking about. Bigging up the food must be lost. Good luck. Again, like the problem here is if you have people that are crazy about organic or tall guy car views are in that headstrong, you know, and you even say anything negative about them, people won't probably cover you or won't subscribe to you. That's just them. It's their own thing. It's up to them, guys. But look, that's his own choice. But in fairness, like to one or two people here, Lauren Longhorn, she just said you're a fool. You're just what said ice cream exposing all the fake people on YouTube. Which it's facts, right? He doesn't just spew out shit. It's proper facts. And Oscar Pena, some people have the brain the same size of a wall. Even the whole picture is clear, they still complain it's like a blurry. Yeah, I mean, look, I don't know, guys. It is what it is. Look, people can see what's going on. Will have rational decisions and rational talking. If you can't see that, you know, that's completely like up to you. All we try to do is make clear stuff. I think the people to say, look, you know, there's channels out there that should obviously be a bit more accountable for what they do. I know organic should stop clickbaiting and faking his way. Life of Palos basically is, you know, only covers the main big ones which you can understand, but you know, he just should cover, like, you know, stuff like that, guys. It's just people basically pointing these things out that, you know, it's pretty obvious. Like S-Boss new exhaust system is absolutely nuts. That's one of the cover DD. Obviously got the CGT, and you know, TJ Hunt fans weren't happy. What are they not happy about it again? Oh yes, the fast track putting a RB26 into it. So guys, roll cam, small new YouTuber sells cars, did a review on a V12 Aston Martin. DB11, definitely check out his channel. He sells cars. I'd highly recommend going there. Sports and Touring, the royalty story, yes. So if you haven't checked out the video, guys, royalty story about one of the cars getting stolen. It was hired, and it was hired / then stolen, and it was sold to a cop. Bought it for 32,000, and then ended up the cops came down, took away the car because they couldn't prove it was even theirs, but he never reported it stolen. Big mad story. Definitely check it out if you haven't. And West Coast Turbos is a massive DDE fan, as he always reminds me in the comments. You know, there's some hardcore DDE fans out there, guys, and I get it. You know, I'm a big DDE fan. I'm just not a fan of any clickbaits. That's basically just me. So yeah, guys, I hope this isn't been too long. Not too sure how long it went, as I haven't recorded time in it, but basically that's what I do, you know, just cover comments, go over them, give my thoughts and opinions again. Hope you like this kind of stuff and it wasn't too long for you. Again, give it a big thumbs up, guys. Hopefully you'll subscribe to the channel as well, and we'll definitely have a video out tomorrow. As I said, guys, I do try and plan to put out a video every day. It's not my full-time job, so if I don't put out a video one day, I do apologize. It just happens because there's something coming up. But yeah, but I will have a video out tomorrow. Definitely, we have a bit to cover. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, guys. Again, thanks very much if you watched to the end. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.